How to fix try another device to continue Facebook problem solve. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the Chrome browser on your device. As you launch the Chrome browser, simply first of all tap on the search bar and here search for Facebook support team. So let's search for the option of Facebook support over here. And as you launch the Facebook support, you can see the very first option, so tap on it. Now, as you tap on the Help Center, it will take us to a new page. So here on the search bar, just tap on it and search for hack. So let's tap on hacked account. As you do that, you'll be able to see different options. So simply tap on hacked account and you can just search for the hacked account option. You can do that, or you can simply scroll down and you can see these different options. So I want to search for hack account, so tap on it and it will give us the option of recover your hacked account. So simply tap on recover your hacked account. Here it says if someone hacked your account, visit facebook.com/hacked on a device you have used to log in into your Facebook before. So just scroll down and here you can see different options on how you can recover your hacked account. So tap on it. Scroll down again and here it says, was this helpful? So tap on no and tap on your solution does not work, and here on the box just express your messages on how your account has been hacked and you'd want to recover it and so on. So mention your username and your contacting email ID and then tap on submit and the team of Facebook will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.